Step 1, representation. So since the problem is asking for two numbers which will have a difference of 3 and a product of 238,
Find the two numbers. Representation.
the smaller number would be x minus 3 since we are looking for a difference of 3, and the bigger number would be x.
Second step is equation. Since we are trying to form a quadratic equation with only one variable, the equation should be x times x minus 3 equal to 238 because 238 is the product of the first number and the second number. Step 3 is solution. So you put the equation here. X times x minus 3 equal to 238. You use the distribution method, so it becomes x squared minus 3x equal to 238. Then, you transpose 238 to the other side, so it becomes negative 238. Then, the other side would be equal to 0. Next, you look the factors for this one. It's just trial and error, so you need a lot of time for this. We found out that the factors are x minus 17 and x plus 14 equal to 0. Next, we do the zero factor property, or ZFP for short. ZFP is when we isolate x. So, x minus 17 equal to 0, then you transpose 17 to the other side, so it becomes positive. Next, we do x plus 14 equal to 0, then you transpose 14 to the other side, so it becomes negative 14. We are gonna use 17 and negative 14 for
Checking. So we check if the values that we got from the solution are correct by
substituting x from the original equation to see if the final statement is true. The original statement was x times x minus 3 equal to 238.
now let's substitute x with the first value of x that we got in the solution, which is 17. So 17 times 17 minus 3 equals 238. 17 times 14 equals 238. So 238 equals 238. So 17 makes it a true statement. Let's try the other one, which is negative 14. Negative 14 times negative 14 minus 3 equals 238. Negative 14 times negative 17 equals 238. 238 equals 238, so that is also making it true. Those are our two final answers.
In putting the final answer, make sure that you put the smaller number first before the larger one because it's smaller. So the final answer is x equal to open brace negative 14, comma, positive 17, close brace. Synthesis. Remember Resca. R is for representation, E is equation, S is for solving, C is for checking, and A is for answer. Choose the best method. Squared property, factoring, completing the square, and quadratic formula. The final sentence will always be in sentence form when it comes to applications. Thank you for watching and see you next time.